If you've been struggling to get that flat belly, here are my best flat belly tips so we can get to that flat belly. Okay, tip number one, avoid food sensitivities. So this is different for everyone, but commonly for most humans, especially those genetically modified grains, can be very problematic and cause a lot of gas and bloating. They mess up the microbiome and can really have a negative impact on your digestive health. Tip number two, limit your alcohol consumption. So again, if you think about alcohol, when you cut yourself and you pour alcohol to clean that wound to kill the bacteria, similarly, when you ingest alcohol, it can also kill off some of your microbiome, your live microflora, those bacteria that are in that microbiome. Of course, we have good ones and bad ones, but too much alcohol consumption can actually kill off a lot of the good ones, as the research shows, and that can cause a lot of that gas and bloating and, of course, lead to that belly fat as well. Okay, tip number three, your circadian rhythms. Now this is really important to see that early morning sunlight and to get grounded. So taking your shoes off first thing in the morning as you're outside in that natural sunlight, really important to get your system now in sync with nature and those circadian rhythms. And this is important for not only for digestion, but for your sleep-wake cycle as well, really helping to target that weight loss and your proper thyroid function when you're sleeping by having that normal cycle with your circadian rhythms with nature. Okay, tip number four, make sure that you're getting enough fiber in your diet. This is really important to move things through the digestive tract and helping with those regular bowel movements. Tip number five, consider doing a Candida and or Parasite cleanse. And this is really important as part of a full body detox as well to kill off some of those less favorable organisms in the gut. So those parasites and their eggs, it's something that we really should be doing at least 3 to 4 times per year to really clean up that digestive tract, especially if you do have a lot of that gas and bloating and you're looking to get that flat belly. And tip number 6 is doing ab exercises. So there are certain ones that you can do even standing, which is fantastic. One of the easiest things you can do is just being mindful of your abdominal muscles and pulling them in, so that you can do this when you're driving, when you're sitting at your desk, when you're walking. Pull in those abs. It will do wonders for that flat belly. Now for more tips on how to do that Parasite or Candida cleanse, please check out my video, 9 tips to get rid of parasites and Candida. I'll see you there.